Okay, now I'll do this on my son, Liam, with his full head of COVID lockdown hair. And okay, so here's two ways. First, as I said to you, you can do the anterior move, drawing skin slack posteriorly, breathe in, breathe out, and using two thumbs, just like we've done on the back. Or, and I'll just come around here, you can use the finger method. So three fingers down, measure that. Draw the skin slack back, depth, challenge, breathe in, breathe out, and use the fingers. Either way, whatever you like. Okay, so now we go to our next move. So, with the finger underneath the wrist, like I told you. I've just got my thumb there for support, but the finger's under the wrist. Two fingers down, get from the wrist crease there, get them to lift up the middle finger, draw towards you, and breathe in, breathe out. And you see, if you look closely, if you rewind, you'll see his little finger twitch. Okay, so here we're going to, just above that medial epicondyle, you're going to draw the skin slack towards the hand, anteriorly, and then, well, that's really laterally, but whatever, doesn't matter. Just remember, towards the hand. Okay, so feel that bump, and you just come just above it. Now we're doing the holding points. Those three holding points I told you, the two fingers and the thumb. 10 seconds, gentle traction downwards towards the floor on the arm. And if they feel any tingling, numbness, then you stop. Okay, and now the next move. Those two thumbs there, which I talked about, on top of the hands, and just at the heads of the radio and ulnus there. And push down gently with the thumbs, not too much pressure. Pulling with the fingers gently, and just you'll hear it go clunkety clunk as we mobilize those wrist bones. You can do it like a figure eight or circles, what have you, just moving it all around there. Okay, and now we're towards the floor, a little, make sure they're nice and relaxed, a little flick with traction. So pull down with a flick. Okay, and now for what's called the snake. So you guide the person through first. So this is the first time Liam's ever done this. I'm just teaching him, and this is what you would do with your client. Get them to palm down, elbow bent, elbow right, the arm right close to the ribs as you start. So I'm just teaching Liam, do it, guide them 2 or 3 times, and then get them to do it so their hand is turning upwards, or supinating as we call it, and that's it, just showing Liam, make sure the elbow strains at the same time. So try that again. You see, that's it. Good boy. That's it. And then you get them to, once they can get that movement, get them to go a little bit faster. That's it. That's it. Until you get them to flick it out like throwing their hand out the window, I told him. That's it. And if the elbow clicks, you're done. If it doesn't, do it 3 or 4 times. But if it clicks, you're done.